Hello, my name is Abdul Sami, absen number 1. I'm from 12 MIPA 1.
Hello, my name is Lavenia Kusuma Damayanti and my roll number is 17.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Iqbal Surya Putra, absen 24 from 12 MIPA 1.
Hi, my name is Koster Karahayan and I am absent 29.
Hello, my name is Reina Salsabila, absent 31 from 12 IPA 1.
Hello, my name is Samuel Dartonan Siti and my roll number is 33.
Physical fitness is a person's ability to carry out daily life activities lightly and easily without feeling significant fatigue and still having energy reserves to carry out other activities. The higher a person's level of physical fitness, the better his physical work ability. Physical fitness is the key to the true health and endurance. For the elements, we will explain and give examples of movement from the 6 elements of physical fitness. There are flexibility, endurance, balance, agility, speed, and strength.
Flexibility exercise. Flexibility, aka body flexibility, is the body's ability to carry out the widest possible movement without injury. This exercise is done so that the muscle after exercising are not stiff and can move freely without any significant disturbance. And benefits of a regular stretching routine is increased neuromuscular coordination, return of muscle to natural resting state, and modifying blood flowing recirculation. H2 is a form of flexibility exercise. How to do it is very easy. Just need to sit on the floor or mat. Straighten both legs in front of you while straightening your body. Then use your hips to lower your body forward as far as you can. Straighten your arms and touch your toes. Reach to side by side is an example of flexibility exercise. The way to do this is to straighten your right leg forward and fold your left leg to the side. After that, lower your body and direct it to kiss your knees and touch your toes using your hands. This exercise is useful for stretching the back, stomach, and waist. The trick is sit up straight on the floor. Stomach lock and legs extend forward and together. Rotate your hips to the right, keeping your nose in line with your breastbone and keeping your stomach locked. Then, lift the ribs even higher so that they can rotate further to the right. Rotate as far as possible. When finished, return the body position to the center. Then repeat the same movement to the left.
Endurance exercise. Endurance is a person's ability to utilize the organs owned such as the lungs and heart for a long time at different tempos effectively and efficiently without feeling excessive fatigue. To train this endurance, you can do aerobic or cardiophysical fitness exercise. With a good immune system, the body's cell metabolism will increase, and it will be easier to carry out daily physical activities. Here are some exercise forms of endurance that I do. Plank is an example of endurance exercise. To do a plank, first position your body on your stomach with your elbows on the floor to the level of your shoulders. Then pull your body up and tighten your buttocks to make sure your back is straight. Hold that position for about 30 minutes. The plank movement is almost similar to push-ups, but uses the forearm as a support. This exercise is very effective for strengthening the muscles in the center of the body, namely the pelvic, lower back, waist, and abdominal muscles. The benefits of planks are burning calories, improving posture, and also avoiding lower back pain. Side plank is an exercise to strengthen the abdominal muscles just like the plank movement in general. The side plank demands to be able to hold the body in the straight positions, but is only supported by one arm and one side of the leg. To do the side plank movement, the body is tilted to the right or left. The legs are straightened and supported by only one side of the leg. Position your elbow just below your shoulders in almost the same way as a plank. Make sure your head is in line with your spine. Then lift your hips and knees off the mat while exhaling. The body should be straight and not curved. Hold the positions as much as possible. The benefits that we can take from the side plank are improving balance, protecting the spine, strengthening the shoulder, hip, and abdominal muscle, also reducing the risk of back injury. Jumping jack is a simple movement that is jumping while opening your arms and legs, then closing them again. The starting position for doing jumping jacks is to stand straight with your feet together and your arms to your sides. Jump and spread your legs a new wide. Jump again and return the legs and arms to the starting positions. The benefits of this movement can be weight loss, increased overall muscle strength, and good for heart health.
So I will explain some examples of movement in practicing balance. So the first one is standing on one leg. What is standing on one leg? Standing on one leg is another common balance exercise. Stand with your feet hip width apart and your weight equally distributed on both legs. Place your hands on your hips, lift your left leg off the floor and bend it back at the knee. Hold the position as long as you can, maintain good form up to 30 seconds. So the second example is airplane attitude. What is airplane attitude? Citing the Pinjas or Cascom website, the basic techniques of airplane attitude are actually quite easy to do. Meanwhile, the way to do the flying pose stance is to lift one leg and extend it backwards. Meanwhile, the other foot remains on the ground or floor as a pedestal. So the third example is leg swing. What is leg swings? Start by standing on one leg and swing the other leg forward and back. Use small swing that progress into larger swings as tolerated. Then switch to side leg swings. This stretches the calf, quadriceps, hamstring, and groin muscles. It also prepares your ankle and feet for the coming activities.
Agility is one element of physical fitness, which is the body ability to change your body position quickly. With the agility, you can change your body position quickly without the risk of injury.
The first is the shuttle run. The steps for doing the shuttle run are: first, running back and forth is done as quickly as possible, as much as 6 to 8 times distance 4 to 5 meters. Then the second one are, every time it reaches a point as a limit, the runner must immediately try to change direction to run toward his running point. And the last one are, it should be noted that the distance between the 2 points should not be too far, and the number of the repetition should not be too large so as to cause fatigue for the runner. The second one is the side shuttle. The steps for doing the side shuttle are: first, do the side shuttle from one point to another point as a limit and repeat for 6 to 8 times. And the second, keep your body facing forward while you do the side shuttle. So don't let your hips shift side to side, keep them facing forward. And the last one is the diamond step. The way to do it is shift your foot to the left front and then shift your foot to the right front to form a diamond.
Speed is a person's ability to perform a continuous and different movement in the shortest possible time. There are several factors that affect speed, including willpower, concentration, technique, reaction time, muscle, elasticity, descent, and exercise portion. Here is an example of speed training.
The shuttle run is part of fairly popular type of exercise that emphasize speed, endurance, and accuracy. Not only that, the shuttle run also trains body control, agility, and acceleration when running. The way to practice the shuttle run is to run back and forth at the same or predetermined distance. Some of benefits that can be obtained when doing a shuttle run are: speed training for running, can regulate and also coordinate the body, can train the strength of the leg muscle. Skipping is a sport that is done by jumping and it's done repeatedly with a rope as a medium. The benefits of skipping for health are various, including to build upper and lower body muscle, increase endurance, strengthen body coordination, and improve heart and blood vessel health. Here's how to do skipping. Hold the rope with both hands. Twist the rope back, twist the rope so that it goes around the body. Jump while twisting the rope as much as you can. Make sure your feet don't get stuck on the rope. Sprint is the ability of the athlete's organism to move forward with maximum strength and speed to achieve the best result. Here are the benefits of doing sprints: increase endurance, maintain muscle mass, increase body strength, reduce stress, accelerate growth, improve heart fitness. Here's how to do a sprint. The start is done using a squat start. When running, lean forward slightly and use a weight straight at full speed from start to finish. The movement of the hand swing follow the movement of the foot with a swing under the chin. When entering the finish line, increase your running speed and drop one shoulder forward to enter the finish line first.
Strength. Strength is the ability of muscle when used to accept loads while doing activities or doing work. Muscle strength, both arm muscle and leg muscle, can be obtained from continuous exercise with heavy loads and little frequency. Number 1. Air squats. Also known as body weight squats, are commonly used in training programs like CrossFit and workout routines. They are only done using your own body weight, while regular squats might use additional weight instead. In air squats, your hips will descend lower than your knees, like this. Okay, next, the deadlift. The deadlift is a weight training exercise in which a loaded barbell or bar is lifted off the ground to the level of the hips, torso perpendicular to the floor before being placed back on the ground. It is one of the 3 powerlifting exercises, along with the squat and bench press, like this, with the barbell. Hold on. Like this. Third, angled push-up. Lean is slightly and place your hands on the wall just within that shoulder width. Slowly and deliberately bend the elbows and move in as close to the wall as possible, inhaling. Slowly and deliberately push off the wall until your elbows are straight, but not lock. Exhale as you push up. Okay, thank you.